Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will teach you how to install ad blocker so you can watch Twitch streams without any ads on them. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the Chrome web store. This is gonna come up. You're gonna click it and then you're gonna search for Stream Cleaner. Once you have this, you just press click to Chrome, mine is in Danish, don't worry about it. And you want to press this white one, not the blue one. And now you can see that this has been added. And now we have it installed. This works 90% of the time. In case it doesn't, there is also this other one. It's called Ad Blocker. Just any one of these should work. I prefer this one. Also just add to Chrome and it's going to remove all the ads. Just add to Chrome, add. And that's it. Now you will no longer have to worry about ads on Twitch. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.